What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the keeps updating issue on your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings tap on about phone. Now from here tap on the software version and then tap on this three dot more option on the top right corner. Now tap on update settings option and here you will see a download automatically button and update automatically button. So if you have enabled these buttons, then it will automatically update the phone. So turn off automatic update automatically and download automatically to fix your issue. But after turning off these buttons, if you're still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this circle and after that release your finger when this circle gets green, and then your phone will be restarted, and after restarting the keeps updating issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the auto updating issue in your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.